We're going to thread our machine. And you want the thread to roll over the top of this. You're going to put your thread on this little spool and then put this little end cap on it. They come in different sizes depending on what size thread you have. And then we're going to take it and we're going to go through this little loop here. We're going to go around that little tension knob. We're going to come down in this little slot. We're going to come back. And then this has a little looper on it. You want to go around it. Come down. There's a little catch just before you get to the needle. And then you want to thread your needle. That's how easy it is. Each machine will be different. This one is a FOF and it's about 21, 22 years old, but it still works like a dream. And so you'll need to look at your manual to see what your machine, how your machine needs to be threaded. Okay. Now I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna put that thread on again. Put it on that spool in that middle hole. Put the end cap on it. And I'm going to show you how this one winds a bobbin. You go around that first little step there. Go around that little tension knob. Then we're going to bring it over here through this little loop. And then we're going to thread the end of the thread through a hole on the bobbin, and you come from the inside out. Easier said than done. And you're going to pull up about 2 or 3 inches on there. And you're going to make sure that spool fits down real good. You'll hear it click in right there. And on this machine, you're going to push that over a little bit. Then you're going to hold about 2 or 3 inches up, and then I'm going to push the foot pedal. Go a little ways, and then trim your thread. And keep going till you've got a full bobbin or however much thread you need for that project. You're going to clip that, and you're going to slide this over, and then you've got your wound bobbin. I want to show you also on my other machine how it works, because every machine's going to be different. This is my newer brother machine, and so I'm going to show you how to thread and wind a bobbin on this. We'll wind the bobbin first thing. So on this one, you make sure that thread's coming over the top. You're going to lift this little back spool up, put it on there. And it has little lines here to show you where to go. So there's number 1. And the second one, you're going to come on this side and make sure it's in that tension good. And then I've got an empty bobbin here. Just gonna push it down on here. And with this one, you wind it around 2 or 3 times, or 6 times. And then you pull it down in a little slot there and pull, and it cuts that thread off for you. And you're gonna push this little lever forward and then push the start button over here to wind your bobbin. Like I say, each machine is different, so it depends on which machine you have. But these are the basic threading instructions, or winding bobbins. And you just push the stop button. You're gonna cut your thread. Take that bobbin off. This one has a little lever right there to take your bobbin out. It also has a little instruction here of which way to put your bobbin in, whether the thread's coming off this way or coming off the back side. With this particular machine, it comes off this way. You just drop that in there till it's setting in your bobbin case good. You're gonna pull it around this little channel and pull it, and it cuts it for you. Put that little cover back on, and there's your bobbin inside there. Then we take this thread off from winding the bobbin, put that back down. We're going to put it on this spool here. And again, this one has like where you go. It has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all the way down. So we're going to go through 1, go through 2, go through 3 and 4. You're wanting to catch it in that little arm up there. And also important to know is to make sure your presser foot is raised when you're threading your machine. Otherwise it won't go through the tension disc right. Okay, with this machine, that last step is right there. And then this one has an automatic threader. So you pull it over here, and then you have just push this button over here, and it threads the needle for you. So awesome. So now you're all threaded up, and you got the bobbin in there and ready to go. Cool, huh?